Hello students, I've made this video to help you determine volume of an irregular body by liquid displacement method. Before I move into the explanation of the method, let us revise some key terms. Regular bodies. Regular bodies are those objects or substances that have definite length, breadth, height. Depending upon what geometric shape the bodies have, we can easily calculate their area and volume. But for an irregular bodies, calculation of area and volume is not easy. We have to calculate it by indirect method. Irregular bodies are those that do not have definite length, breadth and height. Calculation of area of irregular bodies will be done in the next video and in the coming classes. For today, we will be determining volume of irregular body. Alright, volume. What is volume? Volume is the space occupied by any object. Volume is space occupied by any object, the space taken up by an object. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. Similarly, other units of volume are centimeter cube, millimeter cube, and etc. Alright, if a body has definite length, breadth, height, the volume can be easily calculated. Volume of a cube can be calculated by formula L cube. Volume of a cuboidal body can be calculated by formula L into B into H. But what about an irregular body? Here, let us assume a pebble. A pebble has rough surface. Length, breadth, height is indefinite. How do we calculate? We calculate the volume by liquid displacement method. The name only suggests that liquid contained in a container is being displaced, is being moved. Alright, so we can observe two diagrams. In the first diagram, we can see water contained in a measuring cylinder has certain volume. The volume is 50 milliliter. The volume of water at the beginning is 50 milliliter. Initial volume V1 is 50 ml. Initial means at the beginning. In the second diagram, we can see that a pebble has been immersed or inserted and the level of water has increased. The volume now, the final volume is 75 ml. The final volume is written as V2 75 ml. We can observe that the increase in volume of water is only after the immersion or insertion of the pebble. The difference in the volume of water, what is the difference? Final volume minus initial volume. There has been increase in water volume, and that can be found out by subtracting initial volume from final volume. That is 75 ml minus 50 ml to 25 ml. This 25 ml is increased due to insertion of the pebble. So we understand this is the volume of the pebble. This increase in the water level is because of the pebble. So this is the volume of the pebble. 25 ml is the volume of the pebble. Alright, so this is how we calculate volume of an irregular body, a pebble. Note that the unit of volume that we've written here is ml. ml is the common unit for liquids. But here we've written unit for a solid object. This is incorrect. Let us change into its appropriate unit. How do we do that? Let's move on. There is a relationship between two units, milliliter and centimeter, which is 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 milliliter. This is an established relationship. How do you understand this? Okay, let us suppose a cube whose length is 1 centimeter. This is a cube whose length is 1 centimeter. Now the volume of this cube is 1 centimeter cube. How do you calculate volume of a cube? It's very easy. Volume equals to L cube. That is L cube. L into L into L. So volume can be written as 1 centimeter cube. What has been observed is a cube of volume, a cube of capacity 1 centimeter cube can contain 1 milliliter of water. What has been understood? What has been observed? That a cube of volume, 1 centimeter cube, can contain or accommodate 1 ml of water. So that is how this relationship has been established. So in place of 1 centimeter cube, we can write 1 ml. Or in place of 1 ml, we can write 1 centimeter cube. This is a relationship. So the volume that we've written, the unit 25 ml, instead of writing ml, we can write down 25 centimeter cube. Hence, the volume of the pebble is 25 centimeter cube.